About this. So here you can see how you get those stones up a tower like this. So these are the pulley blocks. You have 3 heavy stones, just as heavy. If you pull them with 1 pulley block, it's a bit easier. Here you have 2, it's way easier. And with 4, it's very easy. So this way you can get a very heavy stone all the way up. You see? Okay, so we are a quarter of the way into this tower, 25 meters height and 121 steps in. This room is called the Egmond's Chapel, named after a bishop, but the church never used this part of the tower. Instead of that, this room is where the tower guard lived. He had a small wooden house right there in the corner, where you can still see the fireplace in the wall. From there, he did maintenance work. He would let people in or out, ring a church bell in case of an emergency. And one of the tower guards even opened a small bar in this corner of the room. Now, as you can see, the tower guard is no longer here. The last one moved out of the tower in 1901, quite recently actually. But now this is a sort of museum. You see many old parts of the Dom Tower. Like right here, you can see the cross that used to be on the top of the tower. Of course, now there's a new one, which looks just the same, and you'll get to see it at the end of this tour.
Is it safe during the storm? Due to the flashes, you know?
When there's lightning, we don't go up the tower. But that's not right now, of course. So what we can see here is also a story about a storm, by the way. We can see the year 1580 here. We see the Dom Tower, finished after 60 years of building in 1382. We can see the whole Dom Church that it was part of, but the church took almost 3 centuries to build, only finished in 1525. And as you can see here, in 1674 already, half of the church collapsed in a very big storm. There was no money to rebuild the church, and they didn't even clean up the ruins for 150 years. So only in 1826, the city removed this part, creating, sort of by accident, a square in between the tower and the remains of the Dom Church. So that's the Domplein that we just walked over. It was never really meant to be there. Any questions?